Is MSI RTX 5070 the 1440p king? Shocking speed boost revealed.
Ever felt like your graphics card is plotting against you, turning epic battles into slideshow nightmares at 1440p? That frustrating stutter during ray-traced scenes? The heat building up like a bad breakup? It's enough to make any gamer rage quit life. If you're nodding along, drop a comment with your worst lag story. Let's commiserate before we flip the script on subpar performance.
Picture this: deadlines looming in content creation, stress spiking from burnout as your old GPU chokes on AI workloads, leaving you buried in lag and low-res frustration. Deadlines slip, vibes crash, it's chaos. But imagine reclaiming control with a card that whispers efficiency. No extra drama added. If you're battling that endless grind, this subtle shift could redefine your daily hustle without the headache. Enter the MSI GeForce RTX 5070 12G Ventus 2X OC. Your breakthrough ticket to ray tracing nirvana and AI-powered dominance. Think Blackwell architecture turbocharging every frame with next-gen RT cores and Tensor cores for DLSS 4's multi-image wizardry. This dual-fan beast, rocking 12 GB GDDR7 VRAM and factory overclock, fits snugly in mid-towers or SFF builds, its Torx fans humming quietly until they unleash cooling fury. No more pixelated regrets. It's the sweet spot for 1440p at 120+ FPS or dipping into 4K without breaking a sweat. Take Sarah, a busy streamer who swapped her RTX 4070 mid-session. Suddenly, Cyberpunk 2077's neon streets glowed lifelike, ray reconstruction flawless, her chat exploding with envy. Or Mike, the analyst crunching AI data who shaved hours off renders thanks to RTX AI PC acceleration. Feel that rush? The crisp visuals, the seamless flow? It's hypnotic. Here's one way the MSI RTX 5070 saved the day for a pro developer. During a crunch, NVIDIA Reflex 2's frame warp locked in zero latency inputs, turning frantic debugging into precise triumphs. Keep watching for the bonus trick on tweaking DLSS 4 for god-tier image quality. Your intuition's screaming upgrade already.
With the MSI GeForce RTX 5070 12G Ventus 2X OC, efficiency skyrockets. Say goodbye to wasted watts and hello to laser-focused performance that boosts your 1440p gaming to buttery 144 FPS highs even in ray-traced chaos, while NVIDIA Reflex 2 slashes latency for pinpoint aiming and competitive shooters. Creators, RTX AI PC turns your rig into a neural rendering powerhouse, accelerating edits and generations without the thermal tantrums. Imagine the thrill of maxed settings in Alan Wake 2, shadows dancing realistically, no frame drops stealing your immersion. It's that sensory high, like upgrading from fuzzy dreams to HD reality. Thousands rave about this shift. A tech hardware expert gushed, "The Blackwell leap makes ray tracing mainstream magic. MSI's Ventus cooler keeps it whisper quiet, an engineering win." Gaming influencer Alex chimed in, "Blown away at 1440p. DLSS 4 and AV1 encoding make streaming pristine. No gameplay hit. It's the 1440p champ." An industry analyst noted, "Price to performance crushes rivals. 12 GB GDDR7 ensures future-proofing for years." Even users like Tom, upgrading from a 3070, shared, "Night and day, maxed ultra-wide at 100+ FPS, cooler and silent than my old triple fan." Or Lisa in her SFF build, "Fits perfectly, temp solid, powerhouse without the bulk." See why buzz is electric? Which DLSS 4 feature would rescue your setup? Ray reconstruction or super resolution? Comment below and let's geek out. It's not hype, it's your edge in a world demanding more.
Limited stock on the MSI GeForce RTX 5070 12G Ventus 2X OC means savvy gamers are snapping it up fast. Join the thousands who've leveled up their ray tracing and AI workflows, ditching frustration for fluid dominance. If you're struggling with laggy 1440p or outdated AI tools, this may change your game overnight. One pro said, "I couldn't believe how fast it transformed my setup." Don't wait for prices to spike. Secure yours today and unlock that exclusive Reflex 2 tweak for unbeatable responsiveness. Comment yes if you want the secret DLSS 4 tip inside. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your gaming world now.